Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Amazon shopping voucher gift card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Amazon. You can also do this on the website or the app, either way it's the same thing. So once you are on Amazon here, so log into your account, Amazon account, and then go to your Amazon Pay. So once you get to your Amazon Pay, just select Amazon Pay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and you will see an option called under gift cards and vouchers. You'll see an option gift card and vouchers. So under there you'll see an option called Amazon vouchers. So simply click on Amazon vouchers, and then here you will get to this page here. So all you have to do here is simply type in your voucher code here. So once I've typed in the voucher code and then hit on this add to your vouchers, then this voucher will be added to your Amazon Pay account. So the balance will be added to your Amazon Pay account, and then now you are all good to use your Amazon Pay to make any purchases on Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.